a great choice today with the 2019 Audi A6. The large executive favorite, the Audi A6, remains a cornerstone of the market. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security system, compass, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, fog lights, electronic stability control, tachometer, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, leather seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.